Hi, how does our mind work? My name's Jennifer and this is a bit about mind mapping. The brain works by making connections, often homing into a central concept or idea. These thoughts can radiate out from a central concept in dozens of directions, hence Tony Buzan called it radiant thinking. Because our brain works well in this connection-making state, Buzan also noted that it's easier to remember and associate ideas when discovered radiantly. So just as fast as any computer, your mind makes connections if you give it the right environment. Your mind uses keywords to summarize something individual in meaning to you. And as novices to writing, crafting the language itself, say on paper, tends to get in the way of our free-flowing thinking. We're too busy in our minds thinking, oh, how should I write this? So freehand writing can get past this, and so can colour hand-drawn mind mapping with keywords. Rather than list potential names in black text sparking nothing, drawing a mind map in colour pens allows the maker to spark off the topics, the central topics in mind, with recent readings and their theme in mind. We're often amazed by how large our inputs of human-created information can be plucked out by a chatbot to your simple request. However, there is a step missing in this. When humans pluck out their topic or idea from millions of possibilities in their brain, they are using consciousness and running it past a logic filter. Although we still have human biases, that's why our writing is better than AI. We're using our logic filter and we're running it past our critical thinking.